Why this concrete column failed? Slab column punching shear. Many buildings collapse without warning. No loud cracks, no visible bending. Just sudden failure. Today we're analyzing a real reinforced concrete failure at a slab column joint. And by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what went wrong, why it failed, and how it could have been prevented. Section 1. What you're looking at. This image shows a reinforced concrete column supporting a flat slab. At first glance, it may look like surface damage, but this is actually a structural failure at the most critical zone of the building, the slab column connection. This joint transfers the entire floor load into the column below. When it fails, collapse can be sudden and catastrophic. Section 2. Primary failure. Mechanism: punching. The main cause of this failure is punching shear. Punching shear occurs when a slab is pushed downward by load and punches around the column like a plug. Unlike bending failure, punching shear happens suddenly, shows very little warning, is extremely dangerous. In this case, the slab could not resist the high shear stress concentrated around the column. Section contributing causes. 1. Inadequate structural design. Slab likely too thin. Punching shear checks ignored or underestimated. No shear reinforcement, stud rails or stirrups. A flat slab without proper shear reinforcement is highly vulnerable. 2. Poor reinforcement detailing. Weak anchorage of slab bars into the column ties space too far apart, low confinement at the joint. This reduces ductility and load transfer capacity. 3. Poor concrete quality and workmanship. Honeycombing visible, likely high water-cement ratio, inadequate compaction and curing. Weak concrete means the structure never achieved its design strength. 4. Overloading or change of use. Additional floors. Heavy equipment storage loads not considered in design. Many buildings fail not because of age, but because they are asked to carry loads they were never designed for. 5. Lack of professional supervision. No structural engineer involved construction done by experienced, but unqualified builders. Design approvals skipped. This is a systemic problem in many developing construction markets. Section 5. Why this failure is extremely dangerous. Punching shear failure gives no visible warning signs like sagging or long cracks. Once the critical stress is exceeded, collapse happens instantly. This is why many buildings collapse during occupation. Section 6. How this failure should have been prevented. Proper engineering solutions, adequate slab thickness, punching shear calculations, shear reinforcement, stud rails, drop panels or column capitals, good quality concrete, proper supervision and inspections. Engineering failures are rarely accidental. They are the result of decisions made or ignored. Conclusion and call to action. This failure was not caused by fate. It was caused by poor design, weak construction practices, and lack of professional accountability. If you're involved in construction, this knowledge can save lives. Like, subscribe, and share to spread safe construction awareness.